up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So on the side of me I got my beautiful girlfriend. It's her first time in the Z since it's been retuned. The last time she's ever been in it, I think I had a boost leak, so it was probably like 450 wheel, if I had to guess. So now, like I said, for those of you guys that don't know, I keep repeating myself, but I don't know, maybe there's new viewers. This car is now making 545 wheel horsepower with 470 foot-pounds of torque. On this light chassis, it's, I'm not gonna say it's super fast, but it's definitely pretty quick. So I'm excited to see her reaction.
Oh yeah, guys, so she's like a car girl. When I met her, she actually had a G35. It was pretty sick. I wanted to mod it, but...
Bro, I'm not recording. Just kidding.
Oh my god. I was about to say, bro, get out the car. I'm thinking exactly. Anyways, so yeah, she had a G35. I wanted to mod it, like, with her, but... It wasn't high mileage. It wasn't high mileage, but I just, like, advised her to just sell it and get something.
I got a Camry.
Yeah, she has a TRD Camry, almost on the 85. I'm just kidding. Well, I think I showed your car on the channel before.
Oh yeah, I don't know. I actually wanted a Subi, but I didn't want that engine to blow, so...
Her dream car's STI, but...
I chose reliability.
Yeah, pretty much. Sorry if there's any STI drivers watching. They're good cars. I wanted one instead of the Q50, but... I don't know, bro. I got another car to get away from problems that this car was giving me. I don't want another headache. But those cars, they sound really good.
How can I watch it?
Watch it after. Ready? Alright guys, we crossed the border back into the US, made it home safely. Now for real?
Yes.
You approve?
Heck yeah.
If this video blows up, I'm kind of down to build a car for her. Get a G35 and do like a crazy swap. What do you guys think?
It would be cool if I could buy back my G35 and do it. But I should have never sold it, and I sold it for like really cheap. Well, not really cheap, but because the car market went back up, so I could have got more money.
Yeah, and I told her about that, but
that's a different story. Anyways, let's go ahead and park the car. Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube. Hello? We in the mom mobile. Loki feels good driving like a bone stock, like quiet car sometimes. That's what the Q50 was supposed to be, but that's a different story. Randomly crave Chick-fil-A. What did you get, bro? Should I say sis? Oh yeah? That's a pretty good choice.
Oh.
Yeah? Oh, okay. No pickles? Oh, okay. Alright guys, this is the next day. I came to the car wash. I put a $10 bill to get change out and it just ate my $10 bill. So I guess they're watching the cameras to make sure I'm not lying. Bro, you think I'm gonna waste my time over 10 bucks? Alright guys, well, they gave me my change back with nothing but coins. 10 bucks in coins. That's a way to start my day. But anyways, we are here. Now it's time to wash the Z, wash the Q. Yesterday, but this one's filthy too. It's not as bad as the Q though, but it's pretty dirty. Especially up here because I was spraying it when we were at the dyno. I was spraying it with water to cool it down. And it just got all dirty. Anyways, first wash with over 600 horsepower. Let's go ahead and wash this thing. After that, I want to go to like a spot to take some pictures or get some like TikTok content or something. And then for you guys, I'll get like a cinematic video. Let's get it. Alright guys, we're all done. It's all cleaned up. I was going to record like the process of me washing it, but I didn't want to bore you guys with it. So time to dry it and get out of here. It's all dried up. Now let's get out of here. Moment of silence. It's crazy. It's my car. Some of you guys might say it's just a 350Z, bro. Yeah, it's just a 350Z, but when you like build it the exact way you imagined when you were younger, like it's dope. One of my biggest accomplishments for sure. I don't know, guys. I kind of want to put these wheels on the Q50. I want to sell the wheels that are on the Q50 right now. They're Nismo V2s. If anybody wants them, hit me up. I'll even ship them if you pay for the ship. I really want to put these on the Q50 and get some other wheels for this one. Even though I am very happy with the setup, I feel like these wheels would just look amazing on the Q50. And I don't want to buy 2 sets of the same wheel, so might as well buy the dream wheels for this car. So if anybody wants to cash me out, hit the DMs on Instagram. But yeah guys, that's pretty much what I want to happen next to this car. Probably change the wheel setup, maybe. Obviously I need a weld in the back, so I'll probably get a drag pack in the back again. I do need to upgrade those brakes ASAP. I've just been lagging it, bro. I want Akabonos, like the ones that are on my Q50. But I'll even settle for some Brembos at this point. Besides that, I mean, built motor. Obviously, I was talking to myself for like 30 seconds, bro. The camera stopped recording. But anyways, yeah, pretty much after that, just built motor. The trans may or may not hold up. I don't know. If it doesn't, then the trans, clutch. Pretty much, yeah, just to make more power. And other than that, I mean, the build is pretty much where I want it to be, guys. I mean, look wise, like it's perfect for me. Like I just said, maybe just switch up the wheel setup. Even though I really like these wheels, like there are some other wheels that are considered, I guess, my dream wheels that I would like to put on this car. But yeah, other than that, the build is, I want to say it's done, because like I just said, I just mentioned a bunch of things I want to add, but it's close to being done, I guess. But even then, you guys know builds are never done. There's always more stuff to do to them. Like I want to get a carbon fiber roof. I just remember that. Probably get some carbon fiber mirror caps, and at that point, if I have the carbon fiber roof, might as well get carbon fiber louvers. I don't know. I got a lot of plans for this car. It just gets very, very expensive. Very happy with the car right now. Another shout out. I'm gonna give another shout out to my tuner, because I'm very, very happy with how the car's performing, how it's driving. The car not only performs really well, but it also drives like it's stock. Like when I'm just cruising, it feels like it's not even modified, which is dope. Yeah guys, that's pretty much gonna conclude today's video. Hope you guys all enjoy this video. Hope you guys all like seeing my girlfriend's reaction.
Let me know if you guys want to see more videos with her, like other, I don't know, her reacting to some donuts or something. I don't know, something cool like that. Like I said in the previous videos, if you guys have any video ideas that you guys want to see on the channel, feel free to drop them down below. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button. See you guys later whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.